Freeport, Montego Bay. I still don't know what that is. Is that a ship or a building or something?
They sometimes have these farms.
YouTube, what's up? So I am, thank you, in Montego Bay, stopping for a few, heading to Negril. I have a wedding there, so we're just staying there. My sister went to the supermarket to get some stuff, so I'm just going to the pastry shop to just take a look and see what they have available. So this place is nice, you guys should see it. It's a nice view. I'm heading to the Fontano, and I'm sure these people are like looking at me and say, what is she doing? There's a home style restaurant here, and it looks like it's so popular. It's packed. Should probably try and go in there and get some food, because these guys are hungry, but I want Chinese, but I don't know what they're gonna eat. Let's see. I'm looking for cockaboo, which just said this store, which just said was right inside here as I entered, and I'm not seeing it. It's so cool. Oh, here it is. Oh, by the way, do you have slippers and socks? Let me show you guys what I'm looking at. This is what I'm looking at. Cakes and stuff and what is having here. Oh, these people are smart. They're always in there. What should I get? I don't think I'm gonna get anything inside here. I'm just store walking, just looking around. See if there's anything I want to get. Okay, so there wasn't anything in there that like having. I'm really just feeling some Chinese food. Oh, so I was asking you guys how you guys like my slippers and socks. Can you see? Like these people are like, you come and said, this girl is crazy. She's talking to herself and trying to show her shoe. But anyways, it's that it isn't good. Let me wait till I get back inside the other store. Okay, so now I'm in Ferguson. Oh, so my shoes and socks out. My slippers and socks. Tell me, what do you think? Comment below. My sister is like, you know you have on slippers and socks, right? I'm like, yeah. This is what I do. I'm driving in socks because I'm not going to drive in slippers alone. So I drive in socks just to make sure I have grips. I'm driving from Kingston to Negril, and we stopped in Montego Bay. They said they were on aisle 10. I'm looking for aisle 10. That's it? Okay, they're going on 11th. So And then I keep moving. What are they doing on the snack aisle? More snacks? We need more snacks in there. Alright, they're coming down this way, so I'm just gonna wait because I can't bother with the walking in the crowd and stuff. So I am just here.
What are you doing?
Vlogging, say hi. Hi! Okay, good.
Looking for oil. That's all. Oh, oil and mint.
Mint, oil. Oil would have been that back that way. Huh? So did you... Go back, guys. Find this stuff. We're in Negril and we're chilling on the beach. They're having an oldies party right behind us. But this right here is just so peaceful.
But she needs to be more than wine and dine because she's royal. Yeah.
Good morning. This is Negril. We're at the villas. Hi. It's like a cute spot in Negril. Entering Villa Samir. It's a nice setup kitchen area. Inside the pool. This is the view outside here. Oh, this is the bar area. Oh, this water looks so inviting. Blissamere is right next to Rick's Cafe in Negril, so then you have like a little hot tub here. It's like so cool. Looks like a fire drill. Getting ready for the wedding. Oh, Rick's Cafe is that way. So it's like really cool. That wall looks so inviting. But yeah, this is a villa. It's a nice little place. Okay, so I came down the stairs by the villa. I'm going to go back down to the waters. This is like crazy deep, guys. Look at these steps. But it's like so cool though. I think it's such a nice setting and it's like so relaxed and chill vibe. These are the rocks, guys. Look at it. I'm going down to get my feet wet a little bit. Should be fun. Let's just pray nothing happens to me down here because like, oh, look at that crab. Look at that crab. Like, I did not tell anybody that I was coming down here, so I think I should stay right here then, because these rocks look sharp, and then there's some, like these crabs. Are you guys seeing these crabs? I just start walking from out of nowhere, but I'm really interested, guys. in this thing right here though. What are these things in the shell right here? I'm just really interested. Like, see some right here? Oh, they are sea urchins. One sec. You like, look at this, guys. This is like so cool. But look here. There are like some sea urchins and... Alright, guys. So I just realized I was recording and I was talking to myself. So, but look at these little creatures right here. Are you seeing them? And there's sea urchins right there. This is like so cool. Whoa! Yep. That's a wrap. Look at it, guys. It's like so cool though. This place is awesome. And you have this little cave right here. It's really neat. Alright, I think I should go back up before somebody... Oh, look at that lighthouse. Really pretty. Really pretty. Alright, this is like let down here vibe to take a picture. Got it. So you guys, I'm videoing and you know, taking pictures at the same time. In life, you have to enjoy the moments, work or play or wherever you are. Just try and enjoy the moments and the scenery and have fun. Catch you guys. It's just in the kitchen, chef in the cup. This is Vesamere, and they have these little... I got to show you guys this part that they have these little cottages over here, which are so nice. Because like each cottage is like equipped with little kitchenette and little bedroom thing. It's kind of like so cool. Yeah, around here. Hello. Along this path. I'm telling you, this part, this is like a very long walk. But these things are just so cool. And it's so peaceful around here. I should actually go get some water for these guys. Yeah, just get them some water now. And this is where the cocktail hour. Look at it, it's so pretty. Yeah, this is a good jet thing up here. It's so peaceful. This water looks dirty still, but so nice. Yep. Morning, good morning. Good morning from Negril. This water is like so clean and super like warm too. So what is it then? This is on the beach. Music on the beach, chilling, relaxing. Welcome to Holland Baptist.